guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be making meat pie. So for you to make this meat pie you need grounded meat. I don't have grounded meat. This is normal beef that I've gone ahead to slice into smaller pieces. So if you have grounded meat you can make use of that. I don't have grounded meat at home, so I'm going to work with what I have. So you need some Irish potatoes depending on the quantity of the meat pie you need. You also need some carrots, some eggs, and all-purpose flour, and of course you need your baking powder, sugar, and salt. So to get started now, I'll have to spice this meat up and cook it, then get the rest of the ingredients prepared. So I'll be working with my meat first. In here I have some spices. I have diced onions, ginger powder, garlic powder, some herbs, and a chicken cube. So I'll add in, the meat has been washed and cleaned up, so I'll add in the meat now. So just try to stir this up before cooking. Ensure that all the spices are well coated on the meat. So while the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead to peel the Irish potatoes and carrots. Now I'll go ahead to dice all this up into cube shape. So my meat has been cooking for a while. I'll go ahead to add this diced carrots and potatoes in it. And I will give it a good stir. Just a little water for the potato to cook a little bit. So this is corn flour. I've just made a paste of it, or a slurry of it. So I'll be adding it inside the meat to give it that thickness. So the corn flour is going to act like a binder. It's going to bind the potato, the carrot, and the meat together. So my meat is ready now. I'll go ahead to get my dough prepared. So guys, to get my dough prepared, I'll start by sieving the flour to remove any extra particle or lumps. Then add a pinch of salt, just a little. The 2.5 tablespoon of sugar, granulated sugar. Then your baking powder. Just half a tablespoon of that. And mix. So when you're done mixing, crack in your egg. This is optional. You can add some powdered milk or liquid milk if you have any. I like to have some powdered milk in my own. So, the dough was also sticky, so I have to add some veggies. These are messy chickens. So, I have to add some milk, and you're needing more flour. Then place your dough on this and mix your sauce. So you should get consistency of your dough. You can see it's all complete. You also want powder yet. That's okay. Good dough. So that's what I use for powder consistency. So guys, I'm done with the kneading now. So I'll go ahead to cut it into smaller and circular shape to get that unique meat pie shape. So I'll be working with this. Then with the help of my rolling pin, I'll spread it out. Okay. I'll use this plate to get a circular shape like this, like so. See how this is? Then I'll add in the fillers now. Like so. Then I'll close it. So guys, I'm done. So guys, I'll be putting this in the oven, but before then I have to rub the egg on each of the meat pie. Like so. My oven is already heating. Like so. So guys, I've set my oven to 180 degrees Celsius and I'll bake this for 45 minutes. So we'll come back to check after 45 minutes. Yeah. I just took this out from the oven. It's done now. It's well cooked now. Now just go ahead to take it off from the tray and it's ready to be eaten. Yeah.